www.westportautocenter.com. That's www.westportautocenter.com. You'll find about 100 detailed pictures. It's a real A12 69.5 M code Roadrunner, Bahama Yellow, factory 446 back car, lift off hood. Just an animal. Great restoration. Just redone. Great body lines. Appears to be all original panels on the vehicle. Nice paint. Chrome trim bright work is very nice on it as well. Just saw a couple small chips that had been touched up, and we have one that we have to touch up. There's a little chip right there that has been touched up. I think that's just some excess wax, but nice. Call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. Just a cool car. Please like and share the video. Leave your comments, feedback below. Subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Check out our website again at www.westportautocenter.com. If you'd like to fly in and check this out in person, we welcome that. Forward us your itinerary. Fly into St. Louis International, Lambert International. They are the same airport. Again, forward us your itinerary. Let us know when you're coming in. We'll be more than happy to pick you up. We'll take you back to one of our 3 warehouses full of classic vehicles. We'll take it out for a ride, put up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. Have financing for these vehicles. Great terms, great rates. You can go online to our website and just click the financing icon and fill out the application online and take you directly to the lender's website. So any information you provide would be directly to the lender. Deliver these cars anywhere in the world, so do not hesitate to give us a call. We do it as a courtesy service as far as the transportation arranging. But just fantastic body lines. All the chrome trim bright work. Just nice on the car. You know, this appears to be original. I mean, being very picky, few little patina, but still shows fantastic. Interior's in great shape. Jams are all done. Just a nice car, well sorted. Owner's manual in there. Take this for a ride. The jams are all done. Just a nice sorted car. Nice paint. Showing 38,000 miles on the odometer. Go first spin here. I have wording in there. There you go.
at a time, so there is always hope.
Even the factory radio works on it. All the gauges, the wipers, the horn, the light. Interior lights, just like I said, well sorted car. We just got it in. We'll do a full detail. We'll do a paint correction on every classic car that we get in. We can always make the paint a little better, a little shinier. That's what we do. Completely service the car, go through it, make sure everything's what it should be. If not, it will be replaced or fixed. Selling turnkey investments, so you can get in, ride, and drive. Again, pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039, 314-346-6039. My name's Mark. Happy to answer any questions that you have. www.westportautocenter.com. But yeah, this is a fantastic running and driving, powerful. Great running vehicle. Not fully warmed up. Powerful car. Rare Mopar. This is going to be priced to sell quick. It'll be the cheapest A12 on the market. Pennies on the dollar as far as doing a rotisserie restoration. Throttle, it gets up and goes. Again, www.westportautocenter.com, 314-346-6039, Fenton, Missouri. Thanks for watching.